Welcome to our immersive journey to Tegenungan Waterfall, one of Bali's hidden gems. Nestled in the lush jungles of the Janur region, this breathtaking natural wonder offers an escape into serenity and adventure. Join us as we explore the enchanting beauty and vibrant surroundings of Tegenungan Waterfall. I arrived at Tegenungan Waterfall at 6:30 in the morning, and it was still quiet, with the shops still closed. The atmosphere was very pleasant because no visitors had arrived yet. The sunrise looked very beautiful. The ticket price is 20,000 rupiah, but because I arrived at 6:30 am, and there was no ticket attendant at that time, I got in for free. From the moment we arrive, the soothing sounds of cascading water greet us, setting the tone for an unforgettable experience. The path to the waterfall is a scenic walk through verdant foliage, with glimpses of the river below. Along the way, we'll discover local stalls selling refreshing drinks, snacks, and unique Balinese souvenirs. In addition to the waterfall, the area boasts a number of other attractions. Explore the nearby sacred temples, lush rice terraces, and traditional villages that give you a glimpse into the rich culture and heritage of Bali. For those interested in wellness, there are yoga retreats and spa centers offering rejuvenating treatments. I really enjoyed the journey along the path to the waterfall with the quiet atmosphere and beautiful scenery. This is the advantage you get when you visit a tourist spot early in the morning before other visitors arrive. Additionally, I was able to take great photos and videos without the disturbance of people wandering around the area. Look at how beautiful this natural scenery is, with the morning sunlight and the lush green forest, making your mind relaxed and peaceful. To reach the waterfall, you have to go over around 150 steps. Around 100 of them are very steep, fit or not. For elderly members, they may be a challenge, but certainly doable. There are plenty of resting stops in between, with some picture opportunities too. As we approach the falls, the view opens up to reveal the majestic 15-meter drop, where the water crashes into a serene pool below. Whether you're looking to take a refreshing dip, snap some stunning photos, or simply bask in the natural beauty, Tegenungan has something for everyone. For the more adventurous, there are rocks to climb and higher vantage points that offer spectacular views of the surrounding landscape. Tegenungan Waterfall is a must-visit for nature lovers and anyone looking to experience Bali's natural beauty. Highly recommended. Don't miss the chance to capture the magic of Tegenungan Waterfall at different times of the day. Early morning visits promise tranquility and the chance to see the falls bathed in soft sunlight, while late afternoon offers a vibrant, bustling atmosphere with tourists and locals alike. Join us on this journey to Tegenungan Waterfall and experience the heart of Bali's natural beauty and cultural richness. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, this enchanting destination promises memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures from around the world.